Hi, my name's Jarrod Shelley from Autofidelity, and today we will be having a look at the DOD RC500S dual channel full high definition drive recorder. This system was supplied to us by the customer, and even though it is not the system I would recommend, it does have a nice clear 1080p front and rear camera, which makes recovering number plates nice and easy. So if you're thinking about getting a DOD, or you already have one and want it installed the right way, we are here for you. You may notice we have hidden the camera in behind the mirror, with all cabling tucked in behind the original panels, ran all the way down to the factory fuse box where we have made our power connections. If you have any questions about this or any other automotive electrical product, feel free to contact myself or any of the team